All right, last one.
The Ames room, optical illusion, it'll make you doubt your eyes. I am doubting my eyes right now. This is one of those foreground, background things where a room, when you're looking at it flat, oh, God, it'll break your brain. Mm-hmm. Everything seems a little wonky and off. The back corner looks lower. They walk around to sort of mess us up. We can't tell what anybody's height actually is. They throw a ball to screw with us even more. Something tells me everything has to be perfect in these dimensions to create this illusion. Uh-huh. But it's a foreground background trick. Uh-huh. You are probably mesmerized by the clip above. Yes, correct. You nailed it. But you'll probably be more amazed to learn there is no image manipulation or processing of any type. Obviously, the people can't be changing sizes this fast, so something is up. It's an optical illusion triggered by the Ames room, named after its inventor, American ophthalmologist Adelbert Ames Jr. It's a distorted space that can make objects appear to change size and shape as they move across the room. It's a fascinating science behind the Ames room illusion. And there's going to be some sort of a diagram here showcasing how that plays. Ooh, yeah. So that back wall is key there.
So this is what you're viewing. This is your angle, and it's the two people that's going back and forth in the corners of the room, but one corner is even farther away from the viewer.
That's the one that is like looking like it's downhill, making things look smaller.
Yeah.
So this is kind of a flip of the one that we were looking at. This diagram is a flip of the image we were looking at. And you have to view it through a peephole for it to work? Interesting.
Yeah, for everything to be aligned. Because even like the floor that you see yourself, like it had to be distorted in a way where only one angle can see that it's like a regular looking room.
Yeah, so basically your brain is tricked into believing you're looking at a rectangle, but obviously you're not. There's a really sharp point, in fact, in the corner, but you're tricked into believing that it's a rectangle.
Yeah.
But there's a sharp... Yeah, well, I guess you can see it now that you know the diagram.
You can kind of see
the back right corner here, in this case, is further back. And that's the bottom line. It's just that somehow the rectangular shape on the ground and the way that back wall is designed in order to make the windows look the same size and everything else. Yeah.
Yeah, and there's other instances of this.
Whoa. It's crazy the way our brain interprets shapes, you know? It's the shapes that are making the sale.
But what messes me up is the video. Like, they're doing it in real time.
Wow.
You kind of see.
Shapes mess us up. We see those two windows in the back and perceive them as the same size. They're not the same size. Mm-hmm. But we perceive them as the same size because of angles and shapes and optical illusions, Will. They're pretty cool.
Yeah. They're fun.
Way to go.
Fun, eh?
Way to go, Will. You did it.